You've just picked up the keys to your brand new Tesla. It's sleek, it's smart, and it's packed with technology. But how do you unlock the full potential of this electric marvel? How do you let your Tesla do some of the driving for you? That's right, we're talking about autopilot. Now, before we dive into the nitty-gritty, let's get one thing straight. Autopilot is an advanced driver assistance system, not a fully self-driving car. You're always in control, and you need to be paying attention at all times. But when used correctly, autopilot can significantly enhance your driving experience. So, what do you need to do to activate this futuristic feature? Let's break it down. First things first, ensure your Tesla is equipped with autopilot hardware. Not all Tesla models come with it, so check your car's specifications. If you're lucky enough to have it, the next step is to make sure your software is up to date. Tesla frequently releases software updates with new features and improvements, so it's crucial to keep your car's software current. Once you've confirmed hardware and software compatibility, it's time to familiarize yourself with the car's interface. The autopilot system is controlled through the central touch screen. You'll find the autopilot settings menu under the Controls tab. Take some time to explore the different options and understand what each one does. Now, let's talk about the actual activation. To engage autopilot, you typically need to be on a divided highway with clear lane markings. The steering wheel will display a green steering wheel icon when the conditions are right. To activate, gently apply pressure to the autopilot stalk on the steering wheel. The car will then begin to steer, accelerate, and brake automatically, keeping you centered in your lane. But remember, autopilot is not magic. There are limitations. It might struggle in heavy traffic, bad weather conditions, or on roads with poor lane markings. Always be prepared to take over control at any moment. One of the most important aspects of using autopilot is driver attention. Tesla emphasizes the need for drivers to remain engaged and ready to intervene. To ensure you're paying attention, the car uses a driver monitoring system. This system tracks your head position and eye movements. If it detects that you're not paying attention, it will issue visual and audible warnings, and eventually, it may even reduce autopilot functionality. So, how can you ensure you're a responsible autopilot user? Well, it starts with understanding the system's capabilities and limitations. Don't rely on autopilot to do all the work. Stay engaged, keep your hands on the wheel, and be ready to take control at a moment's notice. Additionally, it's essential to follow all traffic laws and regulations. Autopilot doesn't give you a license to break the rules. Drive defensively, maintain a safe following distance, and be aware of your surroundings. Now, let's address some common questions. Many people wonder about the safety of autopilot. While no system is perfect, Tesla has invested heavily in developing advanced safety features. Autopilot is equipped with a suite of sensors, cameras, and radar to detect potential hazards. However, it's important to remember that autopilot is a tool, not a replacement for a human driver. Another common question is about the cost. If your Tesla is equipped with the necessary hardware, activating autopilot might involve a software purchase. The exact cost can vary depending on the features included. So, there you have it. Autopilot can undoubtedly enhance your driving experience, but it's essential to use it responsibly and understand its limitations. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.